Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle here, that red one here, it's finished. So what it indicating? It came a green candle and next to it a red candle that in normal market indicating the market is going to fall down. That's very clear. But something down here, it's telling us the market will not fall down, guys. Look at it here. Very close here with me. What you see in here? Forget about the chart and look with me here. What you looking at? Look at that green candle here, that green candle here, and that red candle here. What those ones they indicating to you? Look at it. Stairs here. Yes or no? And those stairs, what they indicating to you here? It's falling down. That means the volume, it's falling down. Yes or no? The market is getting dry and dry and dry. So what that indicating to you? That is indicating people, they started losing the hope in Bitcoin. Now here in that level, people, they losing the hope. No one want to invest. People, they are scared. That's what it's indicating to you. And that's what me I told you guys in the previous videos is the right moment. As we enter from here, people, they haven't entered, started DCA from that place. Once a week, once a month, started buying. You don't know how long it will take here. You just DCA for long term, for 1 year till 2024. Remember that. Us, we're going to stay like that till 2024, guys. 2023, we started running up, but the end of that uptrend is going to finish in 2024. Remember those things very well. You are in a very historical moment for the Bitcoin. Started they say you don't know when it's going the boss to take off. That for long-term trading and fundamental here, technical analysis. Also what we said here, we said we got here in that place an inside bar. And we said if there is any candle came and break here up, there is no entry. And if there is any candle break down, there is no falling down. Also we're going to stay sideways here. And that's what it's showing here. All those candles they came here, they showing to us we are in a very dry market, flat market. Yes or no? And the volume down, it's showing to us that. And if you remember when that one falling, what me I told you? I told you it's a falling knife. It's too hard to catch it. It need to fall down and to touch the floor and start bouncing like that till that 100 mile per hour get reduced till 0. And that's what the market is showing to you here. That speed is getting lower and lower. What that meant? It doesn't mean nothing. It meant from here, maybe from here it will go higher, or maybe from here it will continue down. Us, for long term, we just they say we forget about everything. Everything is too clear. By the way, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put on for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. Tomorrow, guys, as you see that the news we got here, we got an employment change of the Aussie, then the CPI of the Eurozone or inflation of the Eurozone. Then we got something very important for USA. We got that one. Bleeding permit, guys. Bleeding permit, it's something very important. I'm going to tell you the economic of USA, what it doing. Because till now, all the economic of USA is showing it started getting better, but the housing or real estate in USA, they still have problems. And that is going to tell you if it came off or not yet. Over here, the forecasting of them, they will show you it's going to fall down in the previous one. But let's wait and see what's going to happen, guys. Then we have that one. People, they losing the jobs of them. How many people they losing the jobs of them and they claiming for benefits. Even that one is very important for unemployment rate. We're going to claim that month, guys. Everything is too clear. And another thing here is our friend. That one also we looking at it every day. Here, the table. What it's showing to you here. Look here. Everything is red, guys. Everything is red. US stocks, all of them, they are red. Look from here to here. All of them, they are red today. Our friend, the one we're looking at it every day, what it's showing to us is it 24, guys. A little bit of scarness, it started entering to the market. And that's what I told you yesterday. Plus, I got some news for you today. There is a very famous investor in USA. He used to have the shares of Coinbase. He said he's going to sell all of them. So that one is a very, very bad news. But we got very good news for the crypto. Michael Saylors, he going public TV in USA, and he talking about the Bitcoin. He said that what happened to FTX is not the problem of Bitcoin. That's a problem of centralized. It's not a problem of decentralized. He said Satoshi Nakamoto, he came with a very, very nice idea. People is them to controlling their funds. So if someone, he want to save funds for his retirement, is him we need to control it, not to put it in the hand of someone else. But people will go in for centralized, like exchanges, all of them, they take you to centralize. They making the rule of the banks. Also using the exchanges just to buy, and we take it off our crypto, just to sell, and we take it off our money. That's it. That's the rule for the exchange. We pay them for the fees. Bye-bye. Everything is too clear, guys. So here, it's still a little bit of scarcity, but not yet. Our friend, the dollar index here, it's still in that 106. It doesn't move from it. That's something a little bit good. And in the chart of the DXY, it's showing a little bit of falling. So tell the channel growing up a little bit. Then also we're going to start making for you the analysis for the SP500, the DXY, and Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to have a very clear picture about all the market. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators with the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, I show it to you guys. What did I told you about it? I told you got here a divergence. But what me I told you else? I told you there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. There is nothing there. The only thing there is that inside bar. If the market came and break it up, yes, you can enter long. If it's not, there is no entry, guys. There is no entry unless if the market came and breaking here. So till now, us we still waiting what the market is going to do. Either to come down and to break for us that downtrend here. That man is going to give us here a flag like that, and that one is a very bad signal. Or maybe from here is going to go back upward. Let's wait in the coming days. Coming days they will tell us exactly what's going to happen. Till now, us we are in the moment of waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, in the last 2 videos, what did I tell you? I saw some people, they got the YouTube channels analyzing the Bitcoin like us. They're telling you, you need to have here a wage or blah, 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 blah. Also, we used to have one here. Is getting broke here. In that zone here is getting broke. Look at it. It went up. Now it go back. Now we need to make a new wage. We need to make another one here. Yes or no? So now also we got here a new wage like that. So should you base your trading because of that wage, the break of it? Up or down? No, my friend. There is no base in the trading about because of that wage here. All that, it's wrong. Why? Tell me why. Because us, we got here. Look here. Look here with me. In the zone here, what you seeing? What that candle here? That one is the candle of news. What it doing there? It's falling down here, and in that zone here, it show a rejection, yes or no? Then it came a green candle. By the way, in our course down, in the first command, if you want to learn those things, we are going to talk. That course is going to teach you everything about those things. Go to it. The course is not expensive. It's only $13. It's the price of a cup of coffee. And that course, believe me, is better than millions of courses they sell it to you by $2,000 or $3,000 a year in social media, guys. So let's go back to the topic. As we told you here, look at it here. You came like that. You draw in here a line. So the chart here, what it done? For the Bitcoin here, what it done? Came down till here. Then from here, he go up till here. Yes or no? Then from here, it fall down. He couldn't break that level. Also, we're talking about here. Picture is too clear. And down here, what we got? Down here, what we got here? Look at it. You got another supply and demand zone. So you got the first one, is it here? Second one, is it here? Both of them, they are supply and demand zones. And what the Bitcoin is showing to you here in that level where we are us now here. What it's showing to you? It's showing to you the market is sideways. Look at it. The market is very, very dry and sideways. There is no one want to invest at this moment. People, they still very, very, very scared. And what me I told you here about that 2 levels also we show you now. The one here and the one here down. What else we said? We said either the market it need to come and to break up here for us to enter long, or to break down here for us to enter short. How is going to break? It's need a candle to come to open down here and to close up here. You know what I'm saying or no? The open, it's need to be here, and the close, it's need to be here. That for a long candle. For a short candle, what we need a candle to open here and to close down here. The open of it, it needs to be here, and the close of it, it needs to be here. To close, not by tail, by the body, guys. Look at, because all those things also we explain it in our course. So if you don't know those things, you need to join our course, because we don't need to make that video 3 hours. So the body of the candle, not the tail, it needs to close below that level here for you to enter short. If it doesn't do it, don't even thinking of to enter long or short. Remember those things. It needs to break here or here for us to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, I know you are subscribers. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us, guys. It will not take you that much. Just 1 second. Pause the video now and go now. Smashing the like button. Helping us that video to reach 30 likes today. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, look at it. It touch here the oversold area. He came, he touched here. Now it's showing here a rejection. Why it's showing there a rejection? Why? Look here with me. Very, very close here what you seeing. You got a uptrend line here. Look at it. Here it touch, it reverse. Now it came there, it touch, it reverse. Yes or no? Now what the view? Me personally, I think from here it will go till here. It will touch here, that uptrend of the divergence, and after that it's going to fall down. So now what should we do? Who controlling here, guys? Is the bears who controlling. So should we enter long? No, the bears will control it. The bears will got the power now, not the bulls. There is no bulls now in the market. All of them, they're only the bears. Even if you see the Bitcoin doing like that, going up, there is no entry. I'm talking here about swing trading, not long-term investment. Swing trading, people, they trade, not investors. Us, we're still here in a downtrend. In a downtrend, what else we're looking for? Only for short opportunities. Yes, that one it touch here, and it need to go up till it will touch in the overbought area. But also here we still in the place where is the bears they controlling. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, if you remember, also we are here at the oversold area. Yes or no? Level, we are in a very stronger level. Second thing, what is it? Bitcoin here, it tried to give us here a double bottom. Look at it. Is it complete? No, my friend. If it doesn't give us here a double bottom, also we are not going to enter. Remember that. If it doesn't come and breaking for us up here, there is no entry, guys. It's need the Bitcoin to go back at least to 18k or above the 17k. If it doesn't go back, there is no entry, guys. It might from here, it's just a sideways like that. Then after that, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down to 12k or 10k. So you need to make a close eye at those things. That one here, it's just an oscillator. It just warn you, but it doesn't tell you when exactly to enter. What tell you exactly when to enter is the price action, guys. Like how it happened here. If you remember us, from here we enter short. Why? Because we used to have here a cup and handle and a divergence. We enter from here before all that news, before us we don't know even FTX is going to collapse. From here, from that level here, us we enter short till down here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Now us here, we need to wait. There is nothing to do, just wait. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last 2 videos what me I told you. I give you a short signal here in that place. Here exactly I told you to enter short. In that level here when it's breaking that wage. The last video will be in here. At that level here, and me I repeat it very, very, very well. I told you people they enter short, they need to start thinking of taking some profit. Yes or no? What should you do now? Should you buy? Should you sell? Look with me here now what the Bitcoin is giving you here. By the way, that one is just for scalping, guys. Should we enter long now if it's breaking up or if it's breaking down? No, my friend, there is no long yet. Look with me here. Our indicator, guys, our indicator it touch here the oversold area. Price action we got one here. Look at it here. That one, what we're talking about. If that one came and breaking up here, yes, you need to enter long. Me, I'm talking here about scalping. People, they want to earn 2% till 3%. If it's breaking here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. And another thing here, look with me here, very, very close here. Look at the 200 moving average, guys. What it's telling you here in that level. The market is sideways, guys. There is no buying, no selling. But for scalping, yes, you can enter and aiming for a little bit of profit. So guys, I'll show you here now. You got a price action here, that triangle, that one. If it's breaking higher here, you enter long because our indicator is being here at the oversold area. Remember that, and I'm going to come back to you after European market close. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now.